Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Share My Location Unavailable, unable to connect to a server. Please try again later. So if you have simply turned on the Find My iPhone on your iPhone and you want to turn on the Share My Location, but you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply close this page, and after that, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply restart your iPhone, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply look for Find My iPhone. So here you have to simply click on Find My iPhone. And after that, here you can simply see that the location, the option is still, the error is still available. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, you have to simply close this page, and you have to search for the Find My again. And you have to simply check whether any kind of new iOS update is not available. If any kind of update is available, then you have to simply install the new latest iOS update. And after that, as you can see, that error is not available. So in this way, you can simply solve that error, share location unavailable. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.